Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use enchant stones and fish at Roblox. Now, if you're still fishing without enchantments, you're seriously missing out. Because enchantments give huge boosts to your luck, speed, and overall fishing performance. So first, to use enchant stones, you actually need to get one. You can fish for it early on in both the fisherman island and the ocean, but it would require you a huge amount of luck since this has an epic rarity. Thankfully, there's an NPC that can help us out. The easiest way to get this early on is by doing the Swimming Narwhal's quest. Simply go to the Kohana Island and talk to the NPC named Narwhal to begin his quest. Completing this rewards you with 3 enchant stones. And now that you have an enchant stone, you want to head over to a special location called the Esoteric Depths. Once you reach the area, go inside the cave and use the elevator to go down. There's a small fee to use it, so make sure you bring some coins. After going down, you'll reach the main area where you can use enchant stones. Place the stone there and it'll give your rod a random enchantment. These enchantments can give powerful bonuses, so it's definitely worth the grind. So yeah, enchant stones are hard to get, but once you start using them, they can massively boost your progress in the game. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!